Now here the question is, we are given a circle, an ellipse and a line. It says P is a point on the circle C. The perpendicular PQ to the major axis of this ellipse meets the ellipse at M. Then we need to find MQ upon PQ. So from any point on this circle, say 3 cos theta and 3 sin theta. Now this circle is actually auxiliary circle for this ellipse. So we'll have this ellipse and then we have this circle. So from any point P, which is 3 cos theta, 3 sin theta, a perpendicular PQ is drawn to major axis of this ellipse. Now this PQ, it meets this ellipse at this point M. So coordinate of M is 3 cos theta and 2 sin theta. Now the first question is, we need to find the value of MQ upon PQ. MQ upon PQ. Now MQ is 2 sin theta and PQ is 3 sin theta. So this ratio is 2 by 3 and that's your option number B. Now this line L, which is y equals 2x. So we'll draw this line. So this is your line L and which is y equals 2x. It represents the line joining the point P on circle to its center O. So we have this point P on this circle and this line. It joins this point P with the center O. Then equation of tangent at the point M is. So first we'll find this point of intersection of line with this circle. Now this point P, it lies on this line. So we'll get 3 sin theta and it'll be equal to 2 into 3 cos theta. So from here we'll say value of tan theta is 2. So the value of tan theta is 2. So this is 2, this is 1 and this is under root 5. So coordinate of this point M, it will be plus minus 3 cos theta. So plus minus 3 upon root 5 and 2 sin theta. So it will be plus minus 4 upon root 5. Now equation of tangent at this point M is given by t equals 0. So we'll put t equals to 0. We'll get this equation as plus minus 3x upon 9 root 5 plus minus 4y upon 4 root 5 and it is equal to 1. Now this 3 and 9, it will cancel and this 4 will also cancel. So we can write this equation as plus minus x plus minus 3y is equal to 3 root 5 and that's your option number A. And if we'll take minus sign, we'll get option number C. So we have option A and C. Now question number 46 is equation of diameter of the ellipse E conjugate to the diameter represented by L. Now here equation of L is y equals 2x. That is the value of M is 2. And we know that condition for conjugate diameter is M into M dash is equal to minus B square upon A square. That means this 2 into M dash and it will be equal to minus. Now what's B square? B square is 4 and A square is 9. So we'll get the value of M dash as minus 2 by 9. So equation of its conjugate diameter will be y equals minus 2 by 9x or 9y plus 2x equals to 0 and that's your option number B. Now question number 47 is R is point of intersection of line L with the line x equals 1. So in the line if we'll put x as 1, we'll get y as 2. So this point is now 1, 2. Now for this point 1, 2, we need to find whether this point lies inside the circle or outside the circle and inside the ellipse or outside the ellipse. So for this circle, we'll find S1. So for this circle, S1 will be 1 plus 4 minus 9, and which is less than 0. So it means this point P, it lies inside the circle. Now what about ellipse? So for this ellipse, if we'll find S1, then it'll be 1 by 9 plus 4 upon 4 minus 1. So it is 1 by 9. It is greater than 0. So it'll lie outside this ellipse. So this point will lie inside the circle and outside this ellipse. And that's your option number D.